Jamaican artiste is beyond doubt one of the most enduring and influential vocalists to emerge from Jamaica's rich musical tradition. From humble beginnings in Buff Bay, Portland, he later moved to East Kingston, where his musical journey truly began. Inspired by his mother, who sang in the church choir, he was easily drawn to the musical environment and soon found himself regularly attending Sunday school. This is where he cultivated the velvety, distinctive voice that would go on to define an era of reggae, dancehall, and later reggae fusion, beginning with his earliest hits produced with the legendary King Tubby and his celebrated partnership with producer Dave Kelly on classics such as Saddest Days. His signature achievement, the 2003 single No Letting Go, reached number 3 on the UK singles chart and number 11 on the Billboard Hot 100 in the United States. The single was certified gold by the Recording Industry Association of America, RIA, in the United States, and platinum by the British Recorded Music Industry, BPI, in the United Kingdom, and earned him the Music of Black Origin MOBO Award for Best Reggae Act in 2003. Its parent album, No Holding Back, was certified gold in the United States and silver in the United Kingdom, and secured a Grammy Award nomination for the artist. Beyond his own celebrated catalogue, he has played a pivotal role behind the scenes, writing early hits for numerous Jamaican artists and helping to shape the sound of the industry beyond his own recordings. His artistry, marked by warmth, versatility, and technical mastery, has made him a beloved figure both at home and across the Jamaican diaspora, and a true torchbearer for the nation's musical legacy on the world stage. The government of Jamaica, through the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, has therefore found it most fitting and appropriate to present Von Wayne Charles, aka Wayne Wonder, with the 2026 Reggae Icon Award in recognition of his work in promoting the growth and popularity of Jamaican music across the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Mr. Von Wayne Charles, better known to the world as Wayne Wonder.
Ladies and gentlemen, Grand Gala, make some noise for Wayne Wonder!
National Stadium. It gives me great pleasure to present this citation to Von Wayne Charles. We all know him and love him as Wayne Wonder.
Thank you. Greetings, everyone. I'm truly honored to receive this award. Thanks to Minister Bob Grange, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the government of Jamaica, my family, my team, and to everyone who has been a part of my journey, especially the fans here in Jamaica and around the world. I truly appreciate your love and support. Thank you, Jamaica. One love. Thank you so much.
Since emerging on the dancehall scene in 2003, this artist, born in St. Anne, Jamaica, has distinguished himself as one of the most versatile and influential voices in contemporary Jamaican music. His 2005 breakthrough single, Step Out, announced his arrival and charted on the Billboard Reggae listings, launching a career defined by an unmistakable vocal delivery, lyrical dexterity, and an unrelenting work ethic that gave rise to his enduring stage name, Busy Signal. He has developed an impressive catalogue of hits throughout the years. But the song which best defines his career and which truly reflects his role as a musical ambassador is patriotic and culturally significant work, and is almost regarded as the unofficial second anthem of Jamaica. His contribution to the genre has been formally recognized by the International Reggae and Music Awards, IRAUMA, which named him Dancehall Artist of the Decade in 2020 and awarded him Best Sing-J Entertainer in 2026, in addition to numerous other industry honors over more than 2 decades of recording. The government of Jamaica, through the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, has therefore found it most fitting and appropriate to present Rihanna Devon Gordon, aka Busy Signal, with the 2026 Reggae Icon Award in recognition of his work in promoting the growth and popularity of Jamaican music across the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, we present Rihanna Devon Gordon, known to the world as Busy Signal.
National Stadium, show some love for Busy Signal.
National Stadium. It gives me great pleasure to present this citation to Rihanna Devon Gordon, better known to you as Busy Signal. However, it is most appropriate at our birthday that we give the citation to the man who has made the most consequential change to the Happy Birthday song. One more year upon them, Busy Signal.
Sound the big thing there. Yes. I want to say big up Jamaica, big up all the fans all over the world. First and foremost, big up the Most High Jah. I'm giving thanks for life, giving thanks just to be here, giving thanks for everybody here and everybody that's viewing. Most honorable, it's been a long time. I've been doing this for years. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. I'm honored. It's gratitude all the way. All the way. And this is for Jamaica. This is for Jamaica. Jamaica.